So hi guys, this video is all about how you can create Android app on your Android phone easily without any coding experience. So if you are a new and a beginner and you want to create your own application but you don't have your PC or a laptop and you want to create an entire application on your mobile phone, so this video is for you. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. So what we have to do, simply go up to your Play Store and type in here Mobizy. Okay, install this application. This application is free to use. Okay, the application is now installed. Simply click on open. Click on create account. Type in here your email, password, full name, age and gender. Click on create account. Now here the application is asking me to verify this email address which I have provided. So I will go to my Gmail inbox. From here you can see the email received from Mobizy. I will click on this activate account link. Okay, now I will click on activate my account now and my account has been activated. Now I will click here done. Now I am a verified user. Now simply click on this plus icon. Okay, first thing first, upload your app icon. Okay, let's say I am a smartwatch manufacturer or I am a smartwatch dealer. I choose this specific icon for my business. Here is the app name, which is okay. From here you can change the font, but for that purpose you have to upgrade the plan. Leave it as it is and click on next. Now from here you can choose the primary color of your application. I will change it. Okay, simply copy this color code, click on OK and go to primary color again and paste in here, click on OK and then I will click on next. Okay, here you can see the AdMob ads and Facebook ads. You can place Facebook ads and AdMob's ad on this application which you are going to create. So I don't have any AdMob ID or Facebook ID, but in case you have your AdMob ID or Facebook ads ID, you can go for this option. This is super cool option which are provided for free by this application Mobizy. After that, just click on this tick icon. Okay, app created successfully. After that you can add multiple pages. So first let me add page title which I had contact us, let's say about us. Page type you can see here is about page and click on create. Now I want to create a more page. I will enter the page title for store page is shop. Okay, now my pages are created. I will first go to my home page. Okay, now I will click on plus icon and I want to add image here. Simply click on the select image icon. Okay, the image is added. Just click on this tick icon again. Okay, now if you want to change the properties of this image, simply drag it to the left and you can see edit and delete option. Simply click on edit option. Here you have further options too. You can add title and you can change the font size of the title. You can change the corner radius and you can change the weight and you can also change the on click action. In on click action, what you want to do if someone click on this image. After that I want to add some information about my company. I will click on this plus icon again and I will click on add text. From here I will add the text that premium smartwatches company. And from here I can choose a text color and paste that color which I have copied before. I will make it align center. Okay, now if I want to change this font size and if I want to make it bold, simply I will drag it to the left and click on edit again. From here I can make it bold and change the font size to let's say 20 and I will change its weight to let's say 5 and click on tick again. Okay, you can see it looks pretty cool now. Go again and click on plus icon. I want to add about us button, so for that purpose I will click on this plus icon and I will go to add button and the title of button is about us. Okay, the button of color will be the color which I have copied before and I will select icon for this button. Okay, on click action required. Now on click action I will make it to go open page. Which page it will open? If someone click on this about us, it will open about us page. Okay, I will correct the spellings here. Now click on tick icon. Okay, you can see the about us open. Now if someone click on this about us button, it will go to the about us page. Here you can see on the upward. Now I want to add some catalog here. For that purpose I will again click on this plus icon. Now I want to add horizontal layout. I will click on this plus icon and add section from here. From here I will upload an image of smartwatches. Now here I will insert the model of this smartwatch. Okay, it look like this. Now I want to change this text color to the color scheme of our application, which is blue. Now it seems pretty good. Now I want to add one more catalog. I will go to section Now if someone click on this watch image, he will go to the page, let's say shop here page. Okay, now we are good to go. Make it align center and click on tick. Okay, now it looks pretty good. Now further I want to add a video, maybe a product video. For that purpose, simply click on this plus icon again, and here you can see add video. Now I will go to YouTube and I will copy this link. If you have your own product video, kindly give your own product URL. Okay, from here you can change the corner radius, background color, title, and whatever you want. Now I will click on this tick icon. It says title is required, so I will make this title product video. Okay, here you can see the product video is also added. Now below this I want to add some, let's say some information. I will click on this plus icon, click on add text. Now I will type in here WooVR. Okay, as you can see WooVR is added, so I will click on plus icon again and again add the text. Now I will write something about my company. Okay, now I want to change the font size from 22, like let's say 15. Now it looks pretty good, so just click on this tick icon to save changes. Okay, further I want to add some menu, let's say the drop down menu. For that purpose I will click on this plus icon and I will click on this add drawer item. Now in add drawer item I will click on this title, and first let me open page. Which page I want to add? About us page. Title is about us. Text color will be blue color. I will go again for drawer item, and now I will add my store. From here I will click on store. I will click on edit, go to my color and paste this color here, click on OK. Okay, now I think we are good to go. Now I will go to about us page and click on plus icon, and now I will add heading which says about us. Subheading, I will leave the subheading, and from here I will type some about me. Now below I will add the Facebook URL. It's just an example. Now after that I will click on this tick icon. Here you can see our about us page is ready. Okay, now you can see the about us page is ready. Now I will go back and let me edit this store page. I will click on edit. I will go to my store and click on plus icon, and from here I will add product image. Okay, now here's the product image. I will add the model. Description of product is about, I have to write something about this watch. Okay, now I will add the price which is like $8, and I am offering the discount. The old price is $10. I am offering the discount of $2. From here choose your currency, which is USD, US dollars. Now click on tick icon. Okay, here you can see my one widget is added. Click on save changes. Okay, now my application is ready. Now if I want to export this application, I will go back and click again on save changes. I will go back again and click this drawer icon and click on this hammer icon. Okay, now it says build watch is done. I will click on this hammer icon to build my app. Now don't change any settings here. Here you can see the estimated APK file size will be 22 MB. Simply click on build. Okay, the application is now building. Just wait for some time. Okay, now as you can see my application has been built. And now to download my own application, I have to click on this download button. From here click on direct download and your application will be started downloading. Okay, now the application has downloaded. I will open this application and install it. Now here you can see the app installer of a mobile phone is currently blocking this application because this is not from the Google Play Store. Now to allow the outer source application, click on settings and click on allow unknown apps to be installed. Go back again and click on install and click on install anyway. Okay, now my application is ready and installed. I will click on open. Okay, here you can see the application which I have created now. Now if you click on this about us, you can see it will lead us to the about us page. Okay, if I click on this product images, it will take us to the shop here page. If you click this image, here you can see the further details about this product. Now here you can see the drawer icon. If I click on this icon, you can see our pages. So you can open pages directly from here or from here. Now here you can see the WooVR section and the product video. If I click on this product video, it will take us to the YouTube. So guys, this is a basic video in which I have told how you can create your free application and monetize it for free without any coding experience. If you guys like any part of this video, simply like this video and click on the subscribe button too. Meet you in the next video.